Sit down on the ground, Jim.
Huh?
Sit on the ground. Yeah, so you can get lower. You know.
How low can you go?
Try not to shoot too many holes in the bucket. Now we got to spill up.
I don't even know how this thing shoots.
Just don't worry about it. Go.
Give it a practice shot first.
Oh, shut up.
See where it hits.
I don't know where it hit then, neither.
I didn't see it hit.
Looks like it
Hit
hit a
over
little
yonder.
bit high to the left.
High and to the left. Whose gun is that?
Greg's, he's blind.
You hit about 20 feet behind it.
He just turned 50.
Come on, man.
You hit about 10 feet behind it. You didn't drop it down any.
You suck as a sniper.
Still high.